A very good morning, class 7. Today we will revise the chapter fiber to fabric. As you all know, there are two type of fibers, plant fiber and animal fiber. Plant fiber, that the jute and the cotton, and the animal fiber is silk or wool. So in this lecture we will revise about the animal fiber, that is the wool. The source of the wool is the sheep, fleece of the sheep, and wool is present as a thick coat of hair on their body. And can you tell me why these animals are having a thick coat of hair on their body? Because air gets trapped in between the spaces between the wool fibers, as this air is a bad conductor of heat, so it doesn't allow the body heat to be escape, and it will keep their body warm. That's why these animals are having a thick coat of hair on their body. And similarly, these woolen cloths keep us warm also. And what type of hair are used to make this wool fiber? There are two type of hair. There is a coarse beard hair and there are fine under hair, and these fine under hair are used to make the wool. And next we will discuss about the sheep breed. This process is called selective breeding. Which type of hair are being used here? There are fine under hair. In the case of animals, breeding is done to obtain the animals with desired character, and that process is called selective breeding. And the two individual of desirable characters are selected as a parents, and then they are crossed to obtain new breed of animal which is having the characters of both the parent, which is called the selective breeding. With this process, certain high yield breeds of sheep can be raised. And these are the different animals which are giving us wool also. There are Angora goats, they are giving the wool. They are found in Jammu Kashmir. There is Angora wool. There are Kashmiri goats. These are the source of wool also. Now we will discuss about the different processes, that is the different process how we are getting fiber, converting the fibers into wool. First process is shearing. What's the meaning of this process, shearing? The process of removing fleece and the thin layer of skin from the sheep body is called shearing. As just see this very carefully. The fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin is peeled from the body of the sheep. It is done manually with the large razor or with the help of machine. And in which season it is done? It is done in the hot weather. And the shearing doesn't harm the sheep. Why it does not harm the sheep? Because the uppermost layer of the skin of the sheep is dead, and the sheep are sheared in early summer so that they do not feel the heat, and the hair of sheep grows again before the onset of winters and will protect them from the cold winter also. So why the shearing doesn't hurt sheep? I hope you know the answer, that the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Now the second step is scoring. What's the meaning of scoring? That is, this fiber contains dirt, so we have to remove this dirt or the grease, so the removed out before further processing. So the process of removing, the process of washing the fleece of the sheep to remove the dust, dirt, sweat and grease is called scoring. And nowadays this scoring is done with the help of machines, and then the clean fibers, they are going to be sent to the different places. After the scoring, the wool is separated or sorted into various categories on the basis of their texture, the basis of their length or the color, and this process is called sorting. The process of separating the fine quality fleece from the remaining inferior quality or the broken pieces is called sorting. And next one is about the combing. What's the combing process? The fleece is combed to remove the burrs. Fewer the burrs, better will be the wool. So the process is called combing. Now the next step is dyeing. The natural fleece of the sheep is black, brown or white in color hoti hai, and that it can be dyed in various colors according to our need. It is going to be straightened, combed and rolled, and then they are converting into yarn. The straightened fibers are spun or twisted together to make yarn, and the wool yarn is either knitted, and the longer wool fibers, they are knitted into wool for sweaters, and shorter one are woven into the woolen